Hi, this is Adrian from Automations 365. Today I'm going to show you an idea on what we do. We're a software development company primarily focused on business process automation and focused on Microsoft Power Platform. Today I'll just show you an example project that we had with a small engineering company. Have their approval process on pen and paper. The requester will fill out the form, hand it over to the approver. The approver will sign it, and then it gets handed over to the accounting. Accounting will process the check. They go to the bank and cash the check, and then give it to whoever needs to be reimbursed. So it's a tedious process. And now the problem is that the approver, which is the business owner, usually is out of the country. So whenever he's out of the country, no one's gonna approve it. So our team built an app which handles all of those approval, and it's inside Microsoft Teams. So let's show you the app. So this is the app. We call it Payables 24/7. Here, I'll just going to show you quickly how the requester creates a new request. So for example, the requester, which is from the engineering team, will have something like a trip because they're gonna conduct calibration services to a power plant. So let's say trip to Kabuyao power plant. So for the expense type, these are the chart of accounts which we can actually connect to their accounting system and sync it over here. But right now, these are just examples. Let's say this is cost of service, and then the request type. They have 3 types of request types. So reimbursement, cash advance, and other payables. Let's just say this one is for cash advance. The amount, let's say it's 10,000 pesos. Requested by, of course, we can get the info from the user logged in. But for this particular process, they can delegate someone to do the request for them. So let's say my name, pay2, which is the name of who will be paid, because it can be given as check or can also be given as cash. So let's say my name also. So here, description, you can just type in the description. And here on the right side, we can either add attachments, photos, and comment on this particular request. So let's try to add the photo. By the way, the photo and the attachments, we made it different because photos, if you're going to use it on the mobile app, will open the camera so that they can take pictures of the receipts and all. So let's use the photos right now. So we select the file. So this is a sample photo of a receipt. And then a comment, you can comment anything and it will be seen by the approver or the accounting team. So let's say, please provide this in cash, because sometimes they can provide a check. So we send this comment, and then once it's all good, we can submit it. So this one, from the point of view of the requester. So for example, the approver will approve using his phone. I got my phone here. So we select the request. The approver will review it, and he taps on approve. He can either choose the release date or the bank account. And once approved, it will have a new status, which is approved. Now, from the point of view of the accounting, they have a similar interface here. So they select the approved request, and they can start processing it. Use the cash advance button once they advance their cash. So for this particular request, it gets cash advance. So the requester will have to do one more thing, which is to liquidate. Now, I won't be going through this process anymore, but anything is possible from here, because from here we can either integrate it with their accounting software like QuickBooks, Sage, Xero, and connect it. They don't have to retype anymore what they typed here. For this particular business, they just want it to be stored inside the Power App, so no integrations needed. But again, we can customize. That's the beauty of Power Apps. You can do a lot with it, and together with other tools like Power Automate, Power BI, you can create this really big solution for your business process. And for this particular business, what they're going to be benefiting from is that the process is streamlined. The approver gets the request immediately in an organized manner, and anywhere you can approve, you can decline, and immediately again it will get passed to the accounting. Whatever was approved, they get processed. Whatever gets rejected, they will not process it, and they can rely on the system to base their transaction history from there. And if they have any conflicts with payment, they can track their statuses from this system alone. So that is the benefit of having a custom solution, because it is tailored to their process. All right, so that's one example of what we do here. I hope you had an insight of what Power Platform is, even though it's just introductory. But in the future videos, we'll even show you more, and not only sample projects, what we do here in Automations 365, maybe on a daily basis. Keep watching, keep subscribed. We'll see you again next time.